This is a pre-RMO question. Integers a comma b satisfies integers satisfy a plus b minus c is equal to 1 and a square plus b square minus c square is equal to negative 1. What is the sum of all possible values of a square plus b square plus c square?
Sir, 1 second, wait, sir.
What is the
Value
sum of
of
all? What is the sum of all possible values? What is the
values of a square plus b square plus c square.
what is the sum of all possible values of all possible values of a square plus b square plus c square? Understood now this question?
Yes.
Here it is given integers a comma b satisfies a
Yes,
plus
sir,
b
don't
minus
go,
c.
sir, wait, sir.
Yeah. Take this one. All of you try this question. Here two equations is given. What is the first equation? A plus b minus c is equal to 1. Right? Second equation is a square plus b square minus c square is equal to negative 1. This is second equation, which is first equation, right? From first equation, a plus b minus 1 is equal to c. C transfer right side, 1 transfer left side. You do SOBS squaring on both sides. If you do SOBS, then what you will get? A plus b minus 1 whole square is equal to c square. You know a plus b plus c whole square formula. Expand this one. A square plus b square plus 1 plus 2ab minus 2b minus 2a is equal to c square. Got it?
1 second, sir.
From here, a square plus b square, what is the value? A square plus b square is equal to c square minus 1. A square plus b square is equal to c square minus 1. That value substitute now here. A square plus b square value. C square minus 1 plus 2ab minus 2b negative 2a is equal to c square.
Sir, answer is 18.
Answer is
18.
18. Need to check it.
Correct.
I don't know. Just we have to check it.
Okay, sir.
You are saying that means answer is 18, right? Yes, answer is 18. Very good. So now c square will be gets cancelled. Negative 1 gets cancelled. Then what's the value here? 2ab. So here 2ab, 2 you take come out here. AB minus B minus A is equal to 0. From here, B you take common out. From first to A minus 1. Here, what you will do now? Negative A is there, is equal to 0. Here, adding and subtracting, we need to get the factors, right? We need to get the factors. Adding and subtracting both sides plus 1 plus 1. Here plus 1, here plus 1. B times of A minus 1. Minus 1 into A minus 1 is equal to 1. Got it? A minus 1, A minus 1. A minus 1 times of B minus 1 is equal to 1. So when you will get these values, possible values. So A minus 1 is equal to 1 or B minus 1 is equal to 1. This case 1. Case 1 and case 2 is what? No? Case 2 is also possible here. What is the value? A minus 1 is equal to negative 1 and B minus 1 is equal to negative 1. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2. Right? If A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2, what is the value of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 2? Then what is the value of C value? If A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2, then what is the value of C? What is the value of C here? So 2 plus 2.
3, sir. 3.
Minus C is equal to
3,
1.
sir.
C is equal to 3. Very good. So what about here? A is equal to 0, right? And B is equal to 0. Got it? A is equal to 0, B is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
0. What about C value? C value 1 here. They're asking here what is the possible values of all possible values of A square plus B square plus C square. Now we can find out A square plus B square plus C square values. What are the values we got it? All possible values. All possible values. What are the all possible values are here? A square plus B square plus C square. A square is what now? 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. C values are 3 square plus and C value here also we got it 0 square plus 0 square plus 1 square. These are all possible values. 4 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1, right? 10, 18. 18 is the possible value. Which is given this one is 2018. 2018 model. Did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Go through this one is this given question. Two equations were given. A plus B minus C is equal to 1. A square plus B square minus C square is equal to negative 1. What is the sum of all possible values of A square plus B square? First equation, we got one relation. C value calculated here. C value is equal to A plus B minus 1 after squaring on both sides. From second equation, we substituted C values. C square minus 1. A square plus B square is equal to C square negative 1. Then gets cancelled. We got one relation. What is the relation? A and B. One equation, we got it. From that one, we took the factors A value, B value. After getting A value, B value, possible values, C value, we got it. One more case 2 is also got it the values. Why no? Negative 1 into negative 1 is positive 1. Got it? Next. This
So one
one,
more copying, sir.
yeah.